Hey guys, this is Arianna, my sister, and we're gonna be testing a hair thing. It is L'Oreal Clarista? Sure. Hair makeup, and it's a one-day color, so it washes out as soon as you want to wash it out. And we got a silver blue color, and since I have short hair and it's for like strands and stuff, we just got one box and shared it. It was $6 at Target, and I'm sure you could find it at any like CVS, Walgreens, drugstore place too. So let's see. And all the directions are on the inside of the box, which is annoying. So it comes in a little tube. Cool. Okay, so you don't need gloves. You just apply with your fingertips the dime size amount of hair that's dry. Your hair needs to be dry. In a 1-inch wide section of hair. And then I'm gonna have to take the box apart. Maybe. I see. Okay, so you can do an ombre look. You can basically just tells you like different ways you can style it and whatnot through your hair, and then you can add more if you want, and then let it dry, hair dry it, whatever you want. Yeah, and then style how you want it. So just get like, that's probably way too much. Put mine in my bangs, maybe? I like this option of semi-permanent hair dye that you can wash out if you don't like it. Because I know, like, you could do it on the weekends just for fun, because a lot of places don't let you have dyed hair, or at least fun colors. I'm just going to kind of run it all through my hair, because why not? And we just picked a color we both liked. Yeah, it's weird.
Could you hand me my brush, actually? It's not
Which
really
one?
My blue one.
Okay.
I don't really care about that one.
Like, it's not as chalky as some of those other types. Like, you get a Hot Topic, but it's not great either. They have a spray version too, but that's less controlling, or you have less control over it. Back here. Yeah, I don't hate it. I think it looks better in your hair than it does mine, though.
No, I like the little patches of blue.
It is a weird feel. It smells really good, though. It smells like just like shampoo. I need a haircut. Buzzed area. closed. Should I go this side too? Yeah, I'll go on the underside.
I feel like that'd be good, like a little bit thicker on the other side.
So a dime size, depending on what you want to do, might not be enough if you have like thick hair or want to add a lot more color. Is like start off with the dime size and then go through and see how much you need for what you want to do and just add where you want to add. Brush through your hair. Oh no, I got on my head. Because it's not as chalky as like those spray-on ones or like the fake ones you can get at like Hot Topic and whatnot, but it's still kind of chalky feeling.
I'm surprised it shows up so well.
Yeah, and this is meant for lighter hair.
I mean, even I have like darker blonde hair and it's like...
Yeah, like it's showing like really well on yours. Mine's like, the more I do this, the more tangled it gets.
Yeah, it's like drying it out. I don't know that it's drying it out.
It's making it hard to work with for sure. It's a look. Should do this look all the time. It's great. Well, it washes off. It looked like if pencil shavings were blue, like the graphite was.
I like it in your hair. It's really like this nice, like kind of like charcoal gray.
Yeah. I like it in yours. It looks much more silvery in your hair.
Like I like it as like a whole hair color, but as like an ombre thing, it's kind of, I don't know, my hair's very,
yeah.
Like the tone that it is, it's just like it doesn't match with most like regular colors.
It's getting off pretty well. I don't know if I like the contrast with my natural hair color.
Yeah, same. Like I like the color itself in my hair.
Yeah. Came off pretty well. So it should come out of your hair really pretty easily too.
My hair doesn't really want to like spread out with it. Like,
yeah, it's like it sticks in one spot. If you put a ton of gel in something in it.
I kind of, oh, that hurt. I kind of wish I was like a brunette with like how they can just bleach strands of their hair, because that would be like perfect for this.
Yeah, they have they do have a bleaching kit. It's not it's not like, I don't think it's like ammonia or bleach, but she used a lot more than I did. It is really pretty on like your hands. I would be tempted to paint with it.
Body paint, yeah.
That or like even just or something. Oh yeah.
Kind of looks like we're like 14-year-olds that like tried to dye our hair even though our parents told us that we couldn't.
Yeah, we got a ride to the mall and we're able to go to Hot Topic.
Got some fucking manic panic.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, Jesus. Fuck you, Dad. Do what I want. I'm grown up. I feel like, I don't know how I feel about it.
Yeah, it's
It looks like when the hair dye is kind of
instant like faded.
Yeah.
Faded.
And like it makes your hair really gross feeling. Like you haven't washed it for 3 days.
I mean, it's like $6.
Yeah.
I don't know. I went camping. I didn't shower for like 4 days.
It wasn't this bad. Mine gets really greasy and gross after like 3 days.
Maybe because mine's like curly and dry. It stays really.
We've almost used the whole bottle. It does dry pretty quickly. Yeah, my hair, it definitely looks like I dyed my hair like a bluish gray color, and now it's fading. You can see the bleach part of it. Hairspray in it. And all the gel. Ugh. Yeah, that's exactly what it feels. It feels like wig hair that you put too much hairspray and gel in. Yeah. Overall, not a good feel.
Maybe if I had shorter hair, it'd look better.
I don't know, I like it in yours more so than I do mine. It does wash off really easily, which is nice.
Yeah.
So if you make a mess of it, it's an easy cleanup.
Yeah, it kind of hypes you up to make you think that it's gonna like stain everything you own. It's not really.
Like brush through my hair.
I'm not gonna try to brush it.
Alright, so we're gonna let this dry and see what it looks like and give you a final verdict on it in a little bit. Alright, so it's actually been almost an hour since we put this in. I'm going to brush mine and see. Oh, ow.
Whoa. I'm not going to because I don't want to have to shave my head bald. And feels like when cobwebs get dusty.
Sticky cobwebs, kind of. Okay, yeah. So it not a fan. You a fan? No, not a fan. The color is okay, but like I said earlier, it's like it looks like when the hair dye, like a professional hair dye, starts to fade and like the bleached hair comes through.
Like you can see like the comparison of what it does to my like hair texture.
Oh
like,
yeah.
Oh,
It's gross. And like see, like it's just like it's like I put a ton of hairspray in it, and I don't like it. Thankfully, it washes out really easily, and it's transfer. It says it's transfer proof. She's gonna try it. She's gonna wash it out. She has a bougie ass bathroom, by the way, but it's really cute.
I like nice things.
I didn't say it was a bad thing. really nice. Okay, it's washing out really quickly. So just water rinsing it gets it out pretty well, and then just like shampoo it and out.
There's the slow drain. Oh god, it's so gross. Is all that's great from when you're washing off the steak?
Yeah. My steak dirt. Wash your hair until the water runs clear.
I'll condition it and wash it.
Washed out pretty well. And there's back to her natural color. And it's not all gross and cobwebby. I got it. I'm gonna take a shower in a little bit. So not gonna worry about it before I get on the plane. Come here. So, would not recommend it. It is good, like maybe if you needed to do some crazy color for cosplay, because they have quite a variety of different colors, and you only need it for that one day, so you don't want to like perma-dye your hair for like however long it lasts.
Remember like a wig if you needed like to like put streaks in it, but you weren't sure how it'd like turn out. Dye.
Yeah, and so you don't like perma-dye a wig and then have to start over. That'd be good. Or like even like a festival, music festival or something where you're gonna get gross anyways and you just want fun streaks of color in your hair. I could see, but yeah, I would not recommend it at all. Outside of that, yeah.
It's like a novelty thing.
For sure. It doesn't, not much different than like Manic Panic. I think it's cheaper than Manic Panic, but yeah. Unless you just want to try it yourself, I wouldn't waste the $6 to do it.
Yeah. Buy like
just have fun.
4 Snickers bars.
Yeah. You could get like a good snack from the store. A sandwich from a deli. Yeah. So, I mean, it is good. Like, if they have a color you want to try out, you can kind of see what it'll look like. But other than that, don't bother. All right, you guys.